here on time बिना किसी दुर्घटना के, because टक्सीडो पहना हो, बो टाई लगाया हो, तो रूम से यहां तक आने में डर लग रहा था कोई बोल ना दे भैया चिकन टिक्का कहां रखा है. Usually this happens, right? Desi men and tux साथ में थोड़ा lethal combination हो जाता है. Just take a look at this front row, ladies and gentlemen. We have the industry leaders, and of course we have the leading voice, Shilpa Rao. Wow, welcome. How are you? मेरे पर्सनल फेवरेट हो ना, मैंने अलग से देखो यहाँ पे कर दिया है. Yes, this is what we want. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Tamanna in the house. अरे गजब. You know, legend has it कि तमन्ना जब आती हैं उनकी आंखों में डायरेक्टली नहीं देखना चाहिए, नहीं तो एक आह निकलती है और आदमी निकल लेता है. I'm not going to do that. We have Jacqueline Fernandez in the house. इनके लिए भी कहा जाता है, लोगों ने इनके नाम के इतने टैटू बनाए कि इन्होंने कहा मैं ऐसी स्पेलिंग रख लूंगी ना, तुम बता के दिखाओ, बना के दिखाओ. कोई स्पेल कर सकता है जैकलिन का नाम क्विकली? कम. ओह, यू तो ऑब्वियसली ना, ये पर्सनल चल रहा है यहाँ पे. एनीवन फ्रॉम देयर? JACQUE. जैकलाइन, अलग लाइन मार रहे हो, ऐसे नहीं होता. जैकलिन फर्नांडिस. ऑल आई वांट टू से इज बड़े टैटूज बन जाएंगे आज भी अगर इनकी स्पेलिंग सही बता दी. जैकलिन, सो गुड टू सी यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जिनकी वाणी भी उनकी खूबसूरती की तरह बड़ी खूबसूरत है, वाणी कपूर इन द हाउस. एंड म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर डुओ जो कि कमाल के हैं. लास्ट ईयर इनका था, उससे पहले का साल इनका था, हर साल इन्हीं का होता है. गिव इट अप फॉर सचिन जिगर, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. What an evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. एक खूबसूरत शाम का आगाज हो चुका है और आप सभी का इस ग्लैमरस सेलिब्रेशन में तहे दिल के साथ स्वागत है. शिल्पा ने वो दिल बनाया था, बिल्कुल उसी दिल के साथ यहाँ पे स्वागत है. आज की शाम खास है क्योंकि हम यहाँ जुड़े हैं सिनेमा के सबसे बड़े जश्न के लिए. इसका एक बहुत ही ग्रैंड अनाउंसमेंट जो है वो होने जा रहा है. मारुति सुजुकी प्रेजेंट्स 23rd Zee Cine Awards 2025 एनर्जी ड्रिंक पार्टनर Hell Energy. Sir, बिल्कुल Hell, yeah, this is what we are doing. ये रात होने वाली है बहुत ही कमाल की. यहाँ सिनेमा का जादू होगा, एंटरटेनमेंट का तड़का होगा, धमाका होगा और आपके फेवरेट स्टार्स अपने स्वैग से आप सबका दिल जीतने वाले हैं. The 23rd Zee Cine Awards 2025 promises to be a spectacular night. तो क्या आप सब तैयार हैं? Are we all set? है ना? Put on your sweet belts, ladies and gentlemen. स्वीट बेल्स बोला मैंने क्योंकि बड़े स्वीट लोग हैं यहाँ पे. ये शाम बड़ी कमाल की होने वाली है और अभी के अभी इसकी शुरुआत करने के लिए मे आई इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एक बहुत ही खास शख्स जिनके लिए इतना ही कहूंगा इंडस्ट्री लीडर हैं और जिस तरह से ये इंडस्ट्री को समझते हैं वो अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी मिसाल है. गिव इट अप फॉर मिस्टर आशीष सहगल, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सर के लिए. सर, मैं चाहता हूं इस शाम की शुरुआत आपके द्वारा हो. Ladies and gentlemen, आशीष सर के लिए तालियां बनती हैं. Sir, the stage is all yours, sir.
Good evening, everyone. To all the media, everyone here, it's an absolute privilege to welcome our esteemed partners, media friends, and especially the celebrities for which all the fans are here. So I want to really thank the fans who have come all over the place to really see the celebrity up close and create a heartening movement. I'm so sorry about that. So I'm going to announce the 23rd edition of Zee Cine Award. It's the India's most celebrated, most viewed film award. More than just an award show, Zee Cine Award is a gold standard of cinematic excellence. Can you hear me, guys? Okay. So honoring the outstanding talent which we have out here with us, reflecting the love of fans, we have all the fans out here, and shaping the very fabric of the film industry. It's very important. Film industry ke bina fans nahi, aur fans ke bina film industry nahi. I think we all agree to that, right? So Zee Cine Award isn't just another award night. It's the pioneer. Believe you me, we pioneered this award, recognition of the talent of the industry because they put so much of hard work for all the fans through the year. Somebody needs to recognize that effort. I think Zee Cine Award pioneered its effort way back in 2000 And I think this is the 23rd edition where we continue to do that. And with the might of Zee Network, that reaches almost 1.3 billion viewers globally and more than 800 millions in India itself, I think, which is an unmatched by any other award show. Nobody in this country till date can match the viewership of Zee Cine Award. So Zee Cine Award last year reached almost 110 million audiences, just for your reference. Our global presence, because Zee Network is a globally available network, our global presence is in 100 plus countries across US, Canada, UK, MENA, APAC, and Africa regions. So we are taking this, this award ceremony to across the globe to all the audiences and the Indian diaspora for them to see what our stars, our talents are doing through through their films, through their work. So, and not to mention and not to forget, ZEE5 is another platform now. You can watch it anytime, anywhere. Zee Cinema has always put fans to the forefront, allowing them to vote for their favorite stars through the Viewers' Choice Awards over the years. This year, we are going to elevate that experience like never before by introducing an unprecedented way for fans to be part of this celebration. We're going to put all the fan fun in front, so that they can share that experience really with the stars here. So get ready for the grand celebration and experience Maruti Suzuki presents 23rd Zee Cine Award 2025 with energy drink partner Hell Energy. Well, I'm going to announce the day also today when we are really going to see this live. It's going to be 17th of May at NSCI Dome. So everybody is welcome. Please do not forget to grab your ticket on District Zomato. We need to make some money, but yes, some very selected fans will definitely gonna see it free also. So we look forward. And of course, do stay tuned to Zee TV after that and ZEE5 for the millions of people to watch it on television, because all of you guys can't reach to the stadium. So I'm sure we're going to take this to the viewers there. Zee Cine Award wouldn't be this grand celebration of cinema that is without the unwavering trust and the support of our partners. Hence, these partnerships, it reflects the shared belief in the magic of cinema and the incredible reach of Zee's platform. And that's why we are very thankful to all the partners who are present here. And we are very proud to announce, once again, Maruti Suzuki as a presenting partner for the 3rd consecutive year, and a budding of a new partnership with Hell Energy from this year. So together we hope to drive this grand celebration of entertainment, excellence, and fandom to even greater heights. It gives me immense pleasure to acknowledge our long-standing and invaluable partnership with Maruti Suzuki, a brand that has been an integral part of Zee Cine Award journey. Much like Zee Cine Award, Maruti also has been a symbol of customer-first innovation, trust that is embedded in every Indian with Maruti. I'm sure a lot of you will be having a Maruti car at home. So to create that unforgettable experience and resonate that millions of countries' fans, I'm going to invite our dear friend, Shri Partho Banerjee, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India, to come over here and please share his experience with Zee Cine Award. Thank you, sir. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Ashish Bhai. Good evening, friends. First of all, I think this is a very unique concept which I saw. Other than the media friends who are there, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule and to be here. One dedicated side is for the fans. Thank you, fans, for coming also. It is an absolute honor to be here today at the Zee Cine Awards, a platform that has entertained and inspired us for over last 23 years. आशीष भाई अब 25 साल थोड़ा बड़ा करना पड़ेगा. Yes, and looking forward to make the Silver Jubilee year a big one. In India, I think other than the religion, Bollywood and cricket plays a very major role. It's just not about movies. It's about emotions, dreams, and above all, stories that connect millions of hearts. And for over 2 decades, I think G Cine Awards has set the gold standard, जो आशीष भाई ने भी बताया, in honoring the best of the Indian cinema. And at Maruti Suzuki, we see a strong synergy between the values of G Cine Awards and our journey. Just as cinema brings joy and unforgettable experience to millions, Maruti Suzuki also brings the joy of mobility to Indian families for over 40 years. And today, we proudly say, India comes home in a Maruti Suzuki. We have always been at the forefront. Thank you. Thank you for appreciating the 40 years. We have always been at the front of mobility in India, just like Bollywood has transformed entertainment. And this year, we bring to you our latest superstar, the all-electric SUV e-Vitara from our Nexa channel, a symbol of innovation, creativity, and excellence. Whether it is through our cutting-edge technology, stylish design, or our commitment to sustainability. With models like e-Vitara, we will continue to shape the future. Also, with our campaign, the initiative which we started, E for Me, we are making electric mobility accessible to all, shaping a greener and more sustainable world. We at Maruti Suzuki are proud to partner with Ashish Bhai, the G Cine Awards, in the celebration of excellence. This is just the beginning of a long-lasting partnership. Together, we will continue to celebrate excellence, inspire innovation, and bring joy of mobility to millions of Indians. I would like to leave you with a short AV of our latest superstar. Many superstars sitting here, but this is a different one, the all-electric SUV e-Vitara. Can we have the AV, please?
Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to be here with all of you tonight as a representative of Hell Energy Drink, proud sponsor of G Cine Awards 2025, one of the most prestigious celebrations of Indian cinema. Indian cinema, represented well by Bollywood, is not just an industry, but it's a force of passion, creativity, and relentless energy. It's about pushing boundaries, breaking barriers, and inspiring millions. At Hell Energy, we share the same spirit. We believe in unstoppable and bold ambitions and achieving the dreams. Just like our stars of Bollywood, Hell Energy has made its mark across the globe. We are proud to be one of the world's fastest growing energy drink brands, fueling dreamers, doers, and achievers in over 60 plus countries. India is, of course, one of the top 3 markets for Hell Energy, and we have always been the forefront of innovation, constantly breaking new ground with bold choices and solutions. We have consistently been a leader in choosing the best, whether it was Bruce Willis, who was our brand ambassador for some time. Then currently we have Mikkel Morone as our brand ambassador. And we also have Megan Fox as our brand ambassador for coffee brand. And we also work with Eva Mendes for our water brand globally. So our association is built on shared values, just like G Cine Awards. Health thrives on creating lasting experience and memories, like how Mikkel Morene says, "This is hell, this is my choice." To all the nominees, winners tonight, your talent and hard work inspire millions. Keep shining, keep striving, and most importantly, keep the energy alive. Thank you, G Cine Awards team, for this fantastic partnership. Here is to a night of celebration, entertainment, and limitless energy.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, would like to invite on stage Mr. Aditya Sehgal. एक बार जोरदार तालियां सर के लिए हो जाएं यहाँ पे. आशीष सहगल साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. तुम लोग की एनर्जी के चक्कर में मैं क्या कर रहा हूं. चीफ ग्रोथ ऑफिसर हमारे साथ डिजिटल एंड ब्रॉडकास्ट जील. सर मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा, ये जो फैंटरटेनमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं ना, प्लीज थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में हमें बताइए कि आखिर हो क्या रहा है यहाँ.
So, as I initially explained to you कि this is all about fans. This time हम fans को आगे रख रहे हैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है ना. तो जैसे जैसे हम एक और शानदार एडिशन की तरफ जा रहे हैं, हमारा जो जी सिने अवार्ड है, इस रूम की एनर्जी में भी आपने देखा कि कितनी एनर्जी आ रखी है इस समय. तो इस बात को प्रूव करता है कि सिनेमा सिर्फ स्क्रीन पर दिखाने वाली कहानियों का एक सीमित नहीं रह जाता है, राइट. बल्कि उनकी जज्बातों को हिस्सा और दिलों के साथ छूने के लिए, उनको पास लाने के लिए हमारे को इस तरह के इवेंट्स करने पड़ते हैं.
राइट.
सो आई थिंक आज हम इस इंडस्ट्री के हार्ट बीट बन चुके हैं, करेक्ट. तो आप फैंस जो है ना, वो इस हार्ट बीट का हिस्सा हो, और उसकी सेलिब्रेशन हम आज यहाँ कर रहे हैं. सो I think we should cheer for the fans now.
Wow.
Present here. Because they cheer the loudest when and they celebrate the hardest, and they stand by their idols through their triumph and their setbacks. They're always there. That's why all the stars, all the talent, they bounce back when fans are with them. So इसलिए this year, Maruti Suzuki presents Z-Cine Award to 2025 May. It's going to go even bigger and pay tribute to the passion of these fans with its unique theme. And I announce it's going to be Fantertainment.
Wow.
So for the first time, Bollywood's brightest stars who are sitting here will turn the spotlight on their biggest cheerleaders, celebrating the unbreakable bond between cinema and its fans. So hence, this year's through our theme Fantertainment, we are celebrating this connection, Dil Se Dilon Tak. So, I mean, you just saw a few of us making a half heart. You're gonna see how the fan will, build the full heart with the celebrity. So, क्योंकि सिर्फ entertainment ही नहीं, ये fan entertainment है.
Got it, sir. Got it. I got it. सर फैंस के लिए कुछ अलग एक्टिविटीज भी होने वाली हैं, बिकॉज मुझे ये पता लगा है, लिटिल बर्डी जस्ट टोल्ड मी कि फैंटरटेनमेंट है, इट्स डेडिकेटेड टू द फैंस. तो ये तो बहुत ज्यादा स्पेशल होने वाला है सर.
सो देखो, अभी तक आपने बड़ी कॉर्पोरेट वॉइसेस सुन ली, जी, हेल. अब बारी आई है हमारे स्टार्स की. दे आर गोइंग टू कम ऑन स्टेज. तो फैंटरटेनमेंट तो उनके बिना हो नहीं सकती, करेक्ट. और फैंस जो हैं उनके लिए इस समय एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर बंदा आया है अभी हमारे पास स्टेज में, जिसका नाम है कार्तिक आर्यन. सो अ लाउड चीयर. वी ऑलरेडी मेट द अदर स्टार्स.
मतलब सीरियसली सर, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. एंड मैं यहाँ पे आशीष सर से डर रहा हूँ थोड़ा, बिकॉज ही सो गुड विद दिस. अगली बार ऐसा ना हो कि सर ही इसको होस्ट कर लें. सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, सर की एनर्जी के लिए. ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव दीज amazing leaders here, sir. Fan made superstar, जिनके जैसा कोई नहीं है. और मुझे लगता है जिस तरह से वो हर चीज अपने फैंस को डेडिकेट कर देते हैं, फिर चाहे उनका सक्सेस हो या जितनी भी उनको ख्याति आजकल मिल रही है, जो फेम मिल रही है, तो ये फैन मेड सुपरस्टार है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मुझे लगता है इट्स टाइम टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज. सर, व्हाई डोंट यू डू द ऑनर्स, सर?
So I'm going to call upon this humble man coming from humble background who loves his family.
Yes.
Right? अपने फैंस के साथ साथ अपनी फैमिली को भी हमेशा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है.